My name is Mia the Robot. I will be your host. Welcome to the brochure of the 2021 all-electric EMP Shark. Minimum car, maximum fun. Contents: electrifyingly fun, the EMP Shark, sporty, yet functional design, on the road to joy, enjoy the silence, ready for the track, have fun on any surface, driver focus. Features: minimalist high-tech, inner beauty, exploded view, the assembly, the force of air, energy at the core, power-up, EMP robotic charging network, space for essentials. Options: the EMP 2021 Boutique Collection, the story of EMP Shark, design inspiration, design philosophy, EMP Drivers Club, technical specifications. About the logo. The logo is a combination of the electrical standard symbols for source of voltage and source for current. The Swedish term for voltage is spanning, which also mean excitement. The EMP logo thereby symbolize an electric vehicle of excitement. Please note, some images may show cars with bespoke styling packs. Electrifying fun, EMP Shark. Have you been looking for road legal racing car performance for two persons, without emissions? Do you seek the non-compromised thrill of a sports motorbike, but want space for your luggage and the safety of a car? Do you want to keep having fun behind the wheel even in the post-combustion engine era? Do you find the very idea of self-driving electric cars contradictive and the ultimate symbol of lost control and boredom? Then the EMP Shark is the car for you. Sporty, yet functional design. The EMP Shark is designed to be a no-compromise sports car. However, the electric drivetrain makes it possible to feature a large storage area. The ethos of EMP is to reduce superficial body parts and functions as much as possible, to optimize performance and practicality. In the quest for optimum functionality, all body panels are made to be easy to change, even down to the aluminium tube frame. All you need is some basic tools and you can swap parts in no time. The styling is simplistic, sleek and timeless, as well as dynamic and sporty. As mentioned on the previous page, the 2021 model comes with or without doors. On the road to joy. With the EMP Shark, any road will bring you the ultimate driving pleasure. Superb handling, explosive e-power combined with a very communicative steering and sitting almost as exposed to the elements as on a motorbike will let you experience fun like never before, no matter the speed you are doing. Enjoy the silence. Thanks to the openness and silence of the EMP Shark, you will get totally immersed with your driving and you will become one with the landscape you are going through, as this car is as silent, timeless, streamlined and stealthy as its namesake. In the past, car enthusiasts needed a lot of engine noise to get impressed. The EMP Shark, however, works in the same realm as high adrenaline action sports, noise-free, environmentally friendly, action-packed excitement. The only sound is from the wind. Ready for the track. The EMP Shark is factory prepared for the racetrack, with adjustable wishbone suspension, racing seats with optional racing harness, etc. Even the main battery cell is interchangeable and can easily be swapped in the pits. No need to wait for the batteries to charge while racing, see page 35. Have fun on any surface. Thanks to the dual-engine four-wheel drive system, lightweight and the powerful torque of the electric drivetrain, the EMP Shark is even capable for serious off-road rally adventures, see page 42. Driver focus. The EMP Shark is the ultimate electric driver's car. Things like self-driving, autonomy or robotization are not available. This car's purpose is to enjoy driving it yourself. As with true classic sports cars, it may take some time to master, but it will reward a skilled driver. Features is kept to a minimum, but there is room on the dashboard to incorporate racing features, such as a kill switch for the electrics, pit crew telemetry, on-board cameras to record your race, etc. Features: minimalist high-tech. The EMP Shark is based around a lightweight carbon chassis, see next page. The main battery is stored in the tunnel between the seats and the front section of the box behind the passenger compartment, see page 28. A CCS charging port is located on the driver's side. The The car has four-wheel drive with one electric motor for each axle and adjustable racing suspension. Racing seats from Bride are fitted as standard and come in a variety of colors. See page 35. A compact hydrogen fuel cell energy system will be available in the future. Inner beauty. The carbon chassis of the EMP Shark is not only made to be strong, light and durable. It is also designed to be a thing of beauty in itself. A lot of effort has gone into make every line and surface perfectly shaped, with flow and elegance. Our design philosophy is that if you were to leave the bodywork behind, you still would have a great-looking car. Special option, the chassis can be ordered in a variety of tinted carbon. EMP, form and function in harmony. Exploded view. The body panels are made of carbon fiber and are easily detachable or replaceable. On the version without doors, as shown on the passenger side, the side panel is just one single piece. The assembly. The assembly time for a single car takes about 1 day. If the customer wants to, it is possible to order your EMP Shark as a kit car to assemble on your own. As shown below, a lot of thought has gone into placing the fastening points for the various parts at rational and easy to reach locations. The force of air. The shape of the EMP Shark is inspired by the order of fish with the same name. In the nose it even has a shark mouth, and it is not there only to look cool. It has an important purpose, to channel air through the air duct, in order to generate more downforce for the front, as well as to create an air stream that deflect the headwind over the passengers. Energy at the core. The EMP battery is a T-shaped unit made to pack the most possible energy from the most compact container. It can easily be swapped through an opening in the floor and can therefore also be smaller and lighter than normal EV batteries. Charging the battery. The EMP Shark uses the CCS Type 2 charge port, which can be found at the driver's side of the car. The battery can take up to 350 kilowatt. EMP Robotic Charging Network. The EMP Robotic Supercharger lets you fill up on power quickly and with the greatest of ease. Simply park the car in the designated area and the charger will recognize your car and commence the charging sequence automatically. The EMP Robotic Charging Network is now rapidly growing. Check your EMP app or the EMP home page for your nearest station. The design of the charger is based on the style of bodywork of the car for easy recognition. Space for essentials. The storage area in the rear compartment is class-leading, and you can easily fit up to 3 standard carry-on bags plus additional soft bags. You can even fit a bike. Total volume of luggage space is approximately 250 liters. Options. The EMP Shark is available in any color and trim combination you might prefer. The freedom to spec your new EMP Shark is therefore endless, and every car produced will probably be unique. Body styles. The EMP Shark can be ordered in 3 body styles. Purity, carbon fiber body panels, no side panels. Unity, carbon fiber body with side panels. Clarity, special option carbon fiber body panels, opaque polycarbonate side panels. Graphic pack, Start. The Start graphic pack includes stripes on exterior panels, accents on wheels and optional accents on mirror caps and brake calipers in other color. Please note, these examples are just the base. Each graphic pack can be enhanced further to match your personal ideas. Graphic pack, Accelerate. The Accelerate graphic pack include accents on exterior panels, interior details, optional mirror caps and calipers in other color. Can be combined with the Start. Graphic pack, Advance. The Advance graphic pack include 2-tone body panels, accents on exterior panels, interior details, optional mirror caps and calipers in other color. Can be combined with the Start. Fenders. Fenders are available as an option worldwide. They are fastened with 6 bolts each and are easy to attach and remove. The fenders are made from carbon fiber, inspired by racing motorbikes. Exoskeleton. The Spaceframe exoskeleton is made from aeromotive-grade aluminium and is available in a variety of colors and metal finishes, such as metallic car paint, matte day-glow car paint, various brushed metals, chrome, etc. It can also be left unpainted. The tubes that make up the exoskeleton are robotically cut, curved and welded to give it the best possible quality, precision and strength to protect the occupants as well as providing the car of its distinctive look. Seating fabrics. Monochrome, seating single color. Color options: Le Mans blue, Spa yellow, Donington green, Monza red, Talladega blue, Speed black. Blackline, speed black seat with colored center. Inverted blackline, colored seat with speed black center. Bespoke, any combination of any of the main colors. Windshield, the windshield is made from high-grade polycarbonate and comes in 9 colors: deep blue, lagoon turquoise, leaf green, lime green, lemon yellow, amber orange, tangerine orange, ruby red and smoke gray. When ordering the Clarity body style, you will get the opaque side panels in the same color as the windshield as standard, but you can order any color combination of windshield and side panels. See example below. Wheels. Wheels are an easy and powerful way to give a car a different character and to enhance the look you desire. There are 16 designs to choose from and they all come in 4 base variants. Carbon GP. Carbon wool with accents in the color of your choice to match the graphic pack of your car. Can be ordered in carbon of various shades. Carbon 1. Carbon wheel in a single color and clear coat. Can be ordered in carbon of various shades. Alloy GP. Alloy wool with accents in the color of your choice to match the graphic pack of your car. Can be ordered in various kinds of alloy. Alloy 1. Alloy wheel in one single color. The customer is free to choose any finish. Can be ordered in various kinds of alloy. Bespoke option. Unlimited option to personalize your wheels even further. Please contact dealer for more info. Off-road rally pack. The off-road rally pack include new Dakar grade wheels and all-terrain sport tires, heavy-duty suspension. The suspension can also be raised for better ground clearance. Rally Raid navigation system and intercom system for the crew is also included, as is special off-road software. The rear hatch can be removed to house 2 spare tires and additional repair tools in the rear compartment. EMP Shark Boutique Collection 2021. Merchandise. T-shirts. Print silhouette. Print abstract. Print various styles, available in white, with black print at EMP homepage. Hats. Cap with embroidered logos, silhouette. Cap with embroidered logos and matching colored inlay, abstract. Cap with embroidered CAD blueprint images, wire. Luggage. The EMP luggage set can be as personalized as the cars. Customers can choose between a lot of textiles, colors and side plate materials, such as brushed aluminium or carbon fiber. Model cars. All EMP customers will get their personal car as a bespoke one-off, 1:18 scale model. To enthusiast model collectors, EMP provide an exclusive collection of high-end 1:18 scale models, based on especially famous existing cars. This year's set include the first prototype, Origin, as well as the record-breaking Etna, plus 6 other future classics. Every model is handmade in a limited run of only 500 copies each and comes with a numbered plaque and are delivered in a specially designed carbon fiber box. Get yours at your EMP dealer. The story of EMP Shark. The EMP Shark arose from the ashes of another electric sports car project that Johan Wejedal Design was assigned to by an external client, doing design and 3D modeling. This project was discontinued in 2014. Not entirely satisfied or impressed with either the styling cues or the overall design that the client had provided for this car, Johan Wejedal set out to give it some much-needed improvements and technical upgrades independently. However, in the end, only the basic idea of a small 4-wheel drive electric fun car was kept from the previous project, as everything else was changed or redesigned. The EMP Shark was born. In the beginning, in order to be as environmentally friendly as possible, bamboo was intended to be used as the structural frame around the chassis. Although still under development, aluminium was chosen instead due to its good recyclability. In the ethos coined by famed industrial designer Dieter Rams, the EMP Shark follows the motto, less, but better. Great effort has been invested in making the design as practical and easy to assemble as possible, as well as making sure that every surface has good tension and as high quality as possible. To get a great stance and good proportions was imperative during the design process. Whereas the original abandoned concept looked boxy, ungainly and generally very primitive, had no or rather limited attention to detail, especially so the prototype that was built in 2013. The EMP Shark is designed to be super sleek, athletic and well executed in every aspect. This car is not a fashion item, this is a lifestyle. Design inspiration. Styling-wise, the design has been inspired by things like classic F1 cars, futuristic concept cars, various fun cars, motorsports, performance motorbikes, sharks, aeromotive design and even modern architecture and sportswear fashion. The result is a look that is super sporty, pure, non-compromising, timeless, hyper-agile, mechanical and bio-inspired. Design philosophy. Our 7-point design manifesto. 1. Simplicity is key. 2. Every line and surface has to have perfect tension, balance and a sense of direction. 3. Always try to reduce the number of parts and do not overstyle anything. 4. No peacock feathers. Every part must have a useful functional purpose. 5. No luxury, no driver aids. 6. Do not follow short-lived trends. Strive for timeless durable shapes. And 7. Let mechanical parts show and add to the look. The design is based around the 3 tubes that form the tubular space frame. Much work has gone into getting every tube into a single uninterrupted curve all around the carbon chassis that fuse in the front and rear ends. The next layer is the carbon body parts. Again, a lot of work has gone into making them simple but full of tension and easy to mount. The side shields are meant to look like pieces of fabric stretched over the tubular frame. As mentioned, even the chassis must be good-looking in itself. Form following function equals beauty. EMP Shark Owners Club. To get the most out of your owner's experience, please consider joining the EMP Owners Club. As a member, you will get invitations to track days, rallies and other exclusive events around the world. Technical specifications. Electro-minimal performance. Electric sports cars designed and made in Gothenburg, Sweden. A company within Johan Wejedal Design Group. This has been Mia. I hope you found this video interesting. Thanks for watching. Follow this channel for more videos. See you soon.